Then your washers, see how he's got that donut on it? Fibre washer, hot's always on the left hand side. That's why you cut your pipe slightly into this fitting, otherwise you squash your washer. Then if you've got your centres right, sometimes it's a bit tricky just getting it on just that thread because that washer's moving about inside. So screw one side on and then get the other side. Don't tighten it up until you get both of them on. Then tighten it up. Beautiful. Use a decent spanner. Them up so you don't scratch them. Never tighten them too tight. I've had to split the washer. There you go. We'll turn water on, test it. Should be all live. Beautiful. Top half. Always make sure, put it on your pipe. Make sure it's level. Draw a line around it. All you have to do, then take that off, pass it to my mate there, mark your centre point, which is there. It's my eyes a tape measure, that'll be bang level. I'm going to get a tape measure just to show you. Once it comes, look at that. Right, let's have a look. Oh, it's 15, look at that. Bang centre. Oh, look at that, bang centre. See that? Told you my eyes, tape measure. No messing about. Pass me my drill bit. These are porcelain tiles now, don't forget. I've drilled already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes with it. So this is going to be the 6 hole with it in a porcelain tile. Really, you should use a new one when you're doing it above your head because it's harder to push it in, so it takes a lot more to drill it. But we'll get it on. Always start on a slant. Wiggle it about. Keep wetting the bit. That porcelain tile, 6 hole, it's drilled, bit still on it. That hand now I'm going to take off. My mate's going to take it off. And we'll use that for ceramic tiles. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to silicone the hole, put a red plug in it, and then I'm going to screw the bracket on. Silicone into the hole. Don't want it all over. Silicone a patch on it. Oh. Get into a hole for this. Get into a hole, get your red plug in. And then with these ends, they have a nice silver plate. So, screw only goes in one way, screw what they've supplied with it. Get it on your fitting, bang that in. Bang it in, otherwise that plate won't go flush. Screw it on. Wipe all the silicone which is just squashed out a bit. Even though it's up here, and its chances are it's never going to get wet. Still silicone it. Make sure that's swingable. Make sure you get it bang level. Even step back. Beautiful. Now there's a plastic coating what they always leave on these. take that plastic covering off. Now, because once this baby goes on, it's not coming off. Get the Allen key. Make sure you take all your Allen keys out. Beautiful. Push it right back, just tighten it up. These units to come out, and they are nicely cut. But you try putting that on the toilet, pushing it back, it won't go back. So before you put it in and start messing about with it, put it on, draw your line around it, cut 10mm bigger hole, and you'll get it. Now from the bottom, they always centre them, 7" says centre. So you know it's going to be high enough, you know that's in centre of the toilet, cut your hole out, and then when you get your flex on, onto the toilet, it'll push back into that hole properly, otherwise you'll have a lip. That's just an handy tip from MJC Kitchens and Bathrooms. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching. After you've done it, I'm just using clear silicone just round my cut. Using a bag, quick fire. In factory they've already sealed that, but I've just cut that round for my fitting to go through it, seal it back up. Beautiful. Job's done. Now all we have to do is fit it. Very easy. Bolt it to the wall. Can't fail. These are good doing tile bits are. Get it on an angle and start it. Porcelain tile. Keep your bit wet. Beautiful, look at that. That one's done. Because I'm doing it too fast. Swap it quickly onto another. So I'm not bothering letting them cool down enough. Cool them. This is one what I drilled the showers with. I put a new bit in there. Look at that. Like a dream. Four holes porcelain tile. I smashed one bit, but that's the bit what I drilled the shower with. Still going strong. It's a time it saves you. £10 a pack plus postage, £2. They're a bargain. They are absolute bargain. So once you've screwed your brackets in on wall, this unit now is just going to hook on that. And that's how we're going to level it. The brackets sometimes are going, and because the walls, in a breeze wall, when you're trying to bolt a big bolt in it, it goes all over it. Do you know what I mean? So just bend it back with a hammer, and then it's straight. And then we can get a sink on. I always glue the hole as well. That way, so that we're looking up, won't force this sink up. And it'll sit flush, see that? Then what I've had to do with this is I've had to sit the sink over this unit slightly. So I've took the top off, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the top down, because these units aren't supposed to be joined like this, but we've got no room here, we've got no space, and it is what it is, I'm afraid. So that's why this sink's set a little bit higher than what it should be. But we can't avoid that, because if we drop that, see that sink could have to go flush with it, and then see the line on the unit. Can they see that line clearly?
Yeah.
You'd have that line because the sink's shaped. So how I've got around it is I've made the unit exactly flush, and then I'm going to sit the sink over it, so it looks exactly equal. And then I'm just going to trim that top down and put it on, and you won't know. Job's a good one. Now I just bought it up. That did it. There you go. On sink, nicely piped up. What you got to remember is, see them flexies? I put a little cable tie on them, just keep them nice and neat. You don't want them kinked in any way, shape or form. Because if they're kinked, that's when they start leaking. Now, all taps come with flexies now. So if they're used right, they're fine. We've got stop valves on it, nice little trap. As draw, they'll just go in there like a dream. Beautiful. There we go. Nicely. Soft closer. Beautiful. We have the toilet unit. All ready, just toilet seat. Now, radiator and screen. Radiator there. I'm going to bang it there. I haven't really got time to film it because we're running out of time filming. But I'll show you. We have the toilet unit. All ready, just toilet seat. Now, radiator and screen. Radiator there. I'm going to bang it there. I haven't really got time to film it because we're running out of time filming. But I'll show you after. There we go. Another job finished. If you remember, start of the week, what we had. Bathroom looked alright until we initially took it out. Very nice. What I'd do is I'd order a new toilet seat within 12 months because you'll never get another square one like that. And toilet seats don't last. Beautiful. Nice bath screen, just move it straight out of the way. Get under that lovely shower. Little draw pack. Very tricky in the small spaces because you got to watch it, make sure it don't hit back. You got to watch it, make sure it don't hit wall. Then you got to watch it there because that sink, you want it centre that unit. So you got to watch it. Beautiful. All nicely. If you cut tight, you don't really need massive silicone. Beautiful.